Hey there, Percussion. Everybody having a good Wednesday? All right. We are moving on into a new rudiment today, and we are on page 20A. And the rudiment is the double paradiddle, right? We've done paradiddles, right, left, right, left, left. Okay. So now our double paradiddle is right, left, right. It's a 6-note figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is those last two. That's the diddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I like to say the word as I go. Double paradiddle. When you say diddle, that's when you double the hand. Double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. Okay? So, spend some time working on that. You can do it open close, which is what I just did, or I did close to open. All right? Or just do it like this. Double paradiddle, double paradiddle, double paradiddle, double paradiddle, two and three and 1 and 2 and 3. So you're working on doubling your speed there and getting that moving along. Double paradiddle. Okay, so now we're on line 317, and it's going to incorporate the double paradiddles in. So look through it, please. You have a regular paradiddle in the first and second measure, and then in the third and fourth, you have the double paradiddles. Second line, you have regular paradiddles, and then bounces at the end. All right, we're forte all the way through. 1 and 2, and ready and go. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1. Double paradiddle. 1, double paradiddle. 1, 2 paradiddle. 1, 2 paradiddle. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Last measure. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. There it is. All right. I expected something, and it's not what happened. All right. So, moving on to 318. 318 is where actually the rest of the band gets into eighth notes, but we already know how to do that. So, let's clap and count. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, 318A. All right, notice there's double paradiddles all the way through this. Ready and go. 1 double paradiddle. 1 double paradiddle. Double paradiddle. 4 double paradiddle. 4. 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. 319, nothing new here. 2, ready and go. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Double paradiddle. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1. Paradiddle 4. All right. 320. Common time. See the C at the beginning of the line? That stands for the term common time. What's the most common time? What do we play in more than anything else? 4/4. Pretty simple. C is an abbreviation for 4/4 time. So common time is 4/4. Easy. Ready? Here we go. 2, ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4. 21. We have flams. We have flam taps. No paradiddles, those are all straights. Okay. Fortes are volume. And that's straight ahead. 2 and ready and go. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and flam, tap, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3. All right. Easy. Moving on. Page 21A. Turning the page here. 3/4 time. Mezzo piano dash mezzo forte. What does that mean? Well, we have a repeat on this line. So the first time is mezzo piano. The second time is mezzo forte. So you're going to play it 2 different dynamics each time you go through it. Nothing special about it. Okay? Just get that visual thing in there where you're not seeing, you're not letting all the extra notes confuse you as far as what line you're following, which right now is the snare line. One thing about this is it does talk about the whole rest. Look at the second line. You have a whole rest on the second measure of the second row. How many beats does a whole rest get? Well, if your answer is 4, you're partially right. That's what we've said up to this point. But in this case, a whole rest, whole means all of it. Whole as in complete, the whole thing. So the whole measure is a rest. How many beats are in a measure in this song? We're in 3/4 time, so it's just 3 beats. So you can have a whole rest in 3/4 time. It just means the whole measure. And that's pretty obvious. There's nothing else in it. You can have a whole rest in 2/4 time. Again, it just means the whole measure. However many beats that's supposed to be. 2, 3, 4, 78, whatever. If it's a whole rest for the whole measure, don't count to 4. All right, so we're in 3/4 time. Here we go, line 3.22. Ready and go. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 1. 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 and 1 and 2, 3. All right. Tomorrow we are going to get into 16th notes. So spend some time on this warm up, right? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 If you're doing that warm up, then you're playing 16th notes. Tomorrow, we're going to get into actually reading them on the page. All right, have a great day.